In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a square video so you can post it to Instagram. To be able to post a video to Instagram on your feed, you need it to be a square. That's 1 by 1. For this, we'll be using Veed, the online editing software. You can sign up for free with the link in the description, or you can search for Veed, V-E-E-D, in your search engine. Hit the upload a file button and find the video file you wish to resize into a square. Once Veed has imported your footage, you will see it down here in the timeline. To quickly resize the video into a square, make sure you are on the Settings tab on the sidebar. Use the drop-down menu under the Size option until you find the Square option. Veed will then automatically make your video canvas into a square. You can also see that Veed has made the video fit the canvas, however we want to fill it. To do this, click on the video canvas, and this will open up the Edit Video window. Here you have the option to fill the canvas or to fit it. Click the Fill the Canvas button and Veed will automatically fill your video canvas. You can also resize the video by using the buttons on the side as well. You can also click and drag your video along to readjust where you want the footage to be on the canvas too. Go ahead and hit the play button to view your video. And that's how quick and easy it is to resize a video into a square. When you're happy with your finished video, go ahead and click the export button in the top right. Using the drop-down menu, you can choose an export resolution setting. When you're happy, click the export video button. Veed will then automatically render and export your video. This could take a few seconds to a few minutes depending on your Wi-Fi speed. When your video has finished exporting, you can hit the play button one last time to make sure you are happy with your final video. If you want to re-edit anything, go ahead and click the Edit Video button and this will take you back into the Veed editing studio. If you are happy with your finished video, however, go ahead and click the Download MP4 button and Veed will save this directly to your computer. And that's how quick and easy it is to resize a video into a square format for your Instagram feed. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do give it a thumbs up, but if you have any questions, don't hesitate to put them in the comments below. Don't forget you can join Veed for free today with the link in the description, and for more easy to follow editing tutorials, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.